So today I'm going to let you hear some of the sounds that my 1991 Fender Prodigy can make. The Prodigy was produced from approximately 1991 to 1993. It was an HSS Super Strat. It was supposed to compete with Jackson and Ibanez, but it was discontinued, just about 2.5 years after it entered production. I'm going to be playing it through my Fender Champion 600. It's going to be an all clean tone test. I'm going to start off with the bridge pickup and just go through the settings. It has the typical Fender 5-way switch. So let's go.